Good morning guys, welcome to my vlog. This is a new vlog for this day. At ngayon ay pupunta tayo sa aking dietitian. So meron tayong schedule ngayon sa aking dietitian to update or to have an update kung ano yung mga kailangan natin pang baguhin sa ating health. So stay tuned later on at ikukwento natin kung ano yung mga pagbabago na kailangan nating i-adjust sa ating lifestyle. So yun, today meron akong appointment sa aking dietitian dito sa clinic malapit sa amin, and I'm gonna have another consultation with her with regards to my health condition. So we need to siguro we need to change a little bit sa ating diet in order for me to achieve better results pagdating ng susunod na blood test natin for cholesterol and fatty liver. So far yung result naman ng blood test natin for the fatty liver ay okay naman. It drastically went down, but I want it more to be within the normal kasi hindi pa siya within the normal range. Just a little bit above the limit. Yun yung last na test results. But nevertheless, maganda yung result last time, pero I just need to consistently do yung mga kinakain natin, iniinom natin na mga natural ways of healing. So hanggat maaari ay ayaw nating hiningal ako. Hanggat maaari ay ayaw nating mag-inom-inom ng mga synthetic drugs. Kasi alam niyo naman ng mga synthetic drugs ay talaga namang hindi natin alam yung mga side effects. Ayan, naglalakad lang ako dito papunta dun sa clinic, and I'll be there in about 5 to 10 minutes. Yung paglalakad natin is part of our lifestyle to become healthier this 2025, and para ma-reach natin yung goal na mapababa yung ating bad cholesterol level and fatty liver. Maganda yung weather ngayon. There are no signs of rain, and hopefully ay masustain within the whole day. Kasi madami tayong pupuntahan today. Madami tayong papasyalan. After nung clinic, later on, ay i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga updates. So stay tuned dyan. Malapit na tayo sa clinic. I'll just gonna cross the road. We're just in time. Nasa labas na ako ng clinic, and then later on ay papasok na tayo, and sana ay maging productive yung aming discussion with my dietitian later on, and mabigyan tayo ng magagandang tips on how to live a healthier 2025, and specifically on how to reduce yung ating bad cholesterol and fatty liver. So hopefully may mga bagong tips tayo na matututunan sa kanya. I-share ko sa inyo later on kasi hindi pwedeng mag-video sa loob kasi nga bawal, confidential lahat yung mga consultations, and I'm gonna update you na lang later on. Welcome back. Ayun, katatapos lang yung aking consultation with the dietitian kanina sa clinic, and after that pumunta ako dito sa library to just record this video, and so far sabi niya sa akin is I'm doing well, kasi she said to me that I am being consistent sa lahat ng mga sinasabi niya, sa mga advices niya ay sinisunod ko, especially yung pagka-cut down ng mga unhealthy foods, especially dun sa mga sugar content, fat content, and salt content na mga kinakain. And she said to me that I am doing well on it, including yung pag-exercise. So I reported everything to her kung ano yung mga progress na ginagawa ko every day. And I shared with her yung sinabi ko na I'm also taking additional herbal supplement for the liver and yung pag-reduce ng bad cholesterol level. And I also mentioned to her na umiinom ako ng tea combined with lemon juice, turmeric, and ginger. And I also shared with her that I also added sa tea pinakulan na leaves and flowers ng dandelion. And I told her na ginagawa ko yun everyday, iniinom ko yun everyday, especially in the morning. Ayan. And sometimes, iniinom ko din yun in the evening if I needed to. Yun. And so far is updated din siya sa aking test results, and we are both shocked dun sa recent na blood test results ko pertaining to the fatty liver enzyme, which is really high at first, and then it drastically went down from 200 to 78. So, ayun, nakakatuwa lang, and she is also very helpful sa akin in terms of yung health, yung mga, she's so very concerned sa aking health. And she also shared with me, ito pala yung bago. There are two apps na shinare niya sa akin that I can download from the Google Store and the Play Store. Yung una is yung Food Switch app, and yung pangalawa is yung Grocer NZ app. Yung Food Switch app is actually an application wherein you can scan yung mga contents ng mga foods na binibili natin sa grocery. It could scan yung amount ng fat, sugar, and salt ng product na binibili natin, and it will tell you kung masyadong mataas or within the normal range lang, or yung limit na allowable lang na kaya nating i-intake. So ayun, maganda ito. I never tried this, but yeah, thanks to her dahil binigyan niya ako ng tip na ganito. Sabi dito, yung Food Switch app, it helps with food label reading and being able to choose healthier alternative food products. It has 3 main selections. Depende kung ano yung health condition mo. Meron dito yung selection ng Food Switch na tinatawag, and it specifically focus on the salt, sugar, and the fat and saturated fat content ng mga pagkain available sa grocery store. And the second selection sa app na to is yung tinatawag na Salt Switch. And ito ay okay siya and highly recommended siya sa mga taong kailangan mag-diet, kailangan restricted yung kanilang salt content. Especially yung may mataas na blood pressure at may mga kidney disease. So, they need to, to restrict talaga yung salt content sa kinakain nila. Yung third na selection is tinatawag na gluten switch. Yan. Ito naman yung selection na kung saan ginagamit para sa ganun ay i-identify kung ano yung gluten content na mga products available sa grocery store. You can download this app if you are interested on this. Yung pangalawang app na sinabi niya ay yung Grocer NZ app. This can be used to compare yung mga prices ng mga products sa iba-ibang mga grocery stores. And you can find here the cheapest price or the price that is within your budget. I will download yung mga app na to later on. Yung ginagawa ko pagka nagtitingin ako ng mga salt content, sugar content, and saturated fat content ay manually. Ang kagandahan ng app na to, yung Food Switch app, is to tell you kung yung amount ng sugar, salt, and saturated fat ay within the acceptable range. So maganda ito. Gagawin natin ito. I-download natin ito later on. And these are only available sa New Zealand. So probably you can find other applications na available sa inyong mga country, whether you are in the Philippines, in the US, or in any other parts of the world. Find an alternative application that could, help you to find, the best prices ng mga products, and also yung app na makakapag-identify ng salt, sugar, and saturated fats. And she is also helping me, in many ways in other than health. And she is so friendly if you have one. And yung kagandahan nito, yung consultation ko with her is really free o walang bayad. So if you are in New Zealand, you have to avail this service. May mga ganito, if you still don't know, you can go to your clinic, ask your clinic whether they have any free services for dietitian and even yung mental health coach. They have such kind of service, and it's free. It's really free. Hopefully ay nakashare ako ng magandang bagay sa inyo, and hopefully yung mga na-share ko dito is makakatulong sa inyo to improve your health. Tuloy-tuloy na to yung pag-improve ng ating health, and I will update you later on again kung ano yung magiging improvement or development ng aking health in terms of yung bad cholesterol and yung fatty liver. Ayun, I have another appointment in sometime late January. So, we will see kung may mga additional tips na maibibigay niya sa akin, and kung nag-improve or mas nag-improve pa yung ating health. So, ayun guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like my video. If you are interested in my video, please consider subscribing on my channel, and please don't forget to leave a comment sa ating comment section if you have any other suggestions, and if you are experiencing the same experience that I am having. So let me know dun sa comment section. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much, and God bless.